I sure am feeling unlucky, 'cause I wasn't as careful as I should be. I gotta get things back on track.
Thomas, you look like a train wreck. What happened?
I went down to the old mine.
Was it scary?
Was it dangerous?
Was it bottomless?
It was all of those things.
Epic! Cool!
That's why Percy gave me his lucky bell. But then, I kind of dropped it into the mine.
What?
No.
So, I was hoping maybe...
Wait! I might have another lucky bell you can give Percy. That's not a bell. That won't work. Nope, not that. How about this?
Well, it's definitely a bell, but how do we know if it's lucky?
Well, I found it, didn't I?
That's true, but...
There you are. I was getting worried about you. Thomas, you look like...
Like a train wreck. I know.
Didn't my lucky bell work?
It worked great! Until I accidentally dropped it into the mine.
You lost my lucky bell?
It's not lost. I know exactly where it is. I'm really sorry, Perce. But we found this other bell.
It's not the same thing. But that's okay. I probably didn't need my bell anyway. Huh?
Don't worry, Percy. We'll get your lucky bell back.
Us too. We're in. It really is dark and scary here. I know. So cool. Oh, I wish I had my lucky bell right now.
Well, your bell helped me get through here before, so I know the way. Follow me.
Thomas will be our lucky bell. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
See? It's right there.
I can totally grab that. Or not.
Look at those old minecart tracks. I bet we can get close enough for you to reach on those. Come on. Wait. We can't go any further.
Maybe this is close enough. Or not.
Look, some old track pieces. Carly, do you think you can reach those?
Absolutely. My bell fell into a bottomless pit. Oh no!
It landed in that hole.
It does have a bottom. I want to see. How are we gonna get it?
Sandy, you want to take a ride?
I can't hold up Sandy and look over the edge at the same time. Tell me about it.
Maybe I can see for you. Lower, lower, stop. A little to the right, and a little more.
Gotcha. I'm gonna sneeze again. Try humming. That always stops me from sneezing. Got it.
Quick, bring her up.
Hey.
No!
Ooh, nice catch.
Wasn't gonna let anything happen to your bell again.
You said you'd get it back, and you did. I should have believed you.
And I should have been more careful with your bell. I didn't keep my Thomas promise. But I will, from now on.
Achoo! Whoa! Phew, that was lucky.